Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 10.3 question number 1. Can a polyhedron have for its faces three triangles? We'll solve this question. Question number 1. Can a polyhedron have for its faces three triangles? The answer is no. The answer is no, because such a polyhedron is not possible. Such a polyhedron 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 is not possible. Is not possible. Such a polyhedron is not possible. Right? The reason is a polyhedron has minimum four faces. A polyhedron a polyhedron a polyhedron a polyhedron has minimum four faces. Has minimum four faces. Four faces. Right? Number 2. Can a polyhedron have for its faces four triangles? Yes. The answer is yes. Because a triangular pyramid, a triangular pyramid, a triangular pyramid has four triangular faces. Has four triangular faces. Four triangular faces. You draw this one, it will be like this. This is a triangular pyramid. Here you see, this triangular pyramid has four triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? A square and four triangles. The answer is yes. A square and four triangles. Yes. A square pyramid. Yes. A square pyramid. A square pyramid. A square pyramid. A square pyramid has a square face. Has a square base. Has a square face. A square face and four triangular faces. And four triangular faces. Four triangular faces. Four triangular faces. Four triangular faces. If we draw this one, it will be like this. Here the base will be the square. This is square and it is a pyramid. You see? See? This is a square face. One A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. And there are four triangular. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Again we are repeating. Can a polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles? No. Such a polyhedron is not possible. A polyhedron has minimum 4 faces. Can a polyhedron have for its faces 4 triangles? Yes. A triangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces. Right? Here you see, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can a polyhedron have for its faces a square and 4 triangles? Yes. A square pyramid has a square face and 4 triangular faces. Here you see, this is the square face. There are 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.